المشاهدون، كرة القدم هي الرياضة الأكثر شعبية في العالم. دعونا نعرفكم على طفل له آراؤه وأفكاره الخاصة. رانا محمد زيد طفل موهوب في 8 من عمره، وهو حفيد رئيس مكتب أخبار اليابان فخر لاھور، الذي يتلقى تعليمه الديني والدنيوي أيضاً. أعرب عن فرحته الغامرة وهو يخبرنا بذلك، وحمد الله. قال إن رانا محمد زيد لديه معلومات لا تحصى عن أسماء اللاعبين والفرق العالمية الشهيرة وأدائهم منذ صغره. بسبب نقص التوضيحات وعدم اهتمام الحكومة الباكستانية، يغادر العديد من النجوم والأبطال البلاد ويسافرون إلى الخارج. عندما سئل زيد أيضاً عما سيفعله عندما يكبر، قال الطفل بخيبة أمل كبيرة: سأصبح أولاً لاعباً في اليابان، ثم في فريق ريال مدريد الإسباني. لنستمع أكثر.
ناظرین، فٹ بال دنیا کی سب سے مقبول ترین کھیل ہے۔ آئیے ایک ایسے بچے سے ملواتے ہیں جس کی اپنی آراء ہیں، اپنے خیالات ہیں۔ رانا محمد زید 8 سالہ ہونہار بچہ جو بیورو چیف جاپان فخر نیوز لاھور کا نواسہ ہے۔ آئیے مزید سنتے ہیں۔
Hello Zaid, tell us something about Messi, since he is a very famous player and I think he is your favorite player also, like Ronaldo. رونالڈو کی طرح یہ بھی آپ کا جو ہے وہ فیوریٹ ہے.
I respect him but I don't, it's not my favorite.
Oh, I'm sorry. Who is your favorite, by the way? Ronaldo.
Yes.
Okay, tell us something about Messi, since he is going to retire, you told me.
He's retired. He just played his last Argentinian match.
Okay.
Today.
Okay.
So he retires from the Argentinian team.
Okay.
And he's not gonna play the World Cup.
Okay. So what will be the effect after then Ronaldo? Who will be a competitor?
Well, now the World Cup chances for Ronaldo is higher.
Okay.
It's almost about 70 to 90% he will win it.
Okay.
But there is two competition.
Alright.
Lamine Yamal and Neymar.
Yes. Okay.
Neymar is the third best player
Okay.
of football.
Alright.
But Neymar gets injured a lot and has hurt his knee, so he might also not play the World Cup.
Alright.
If he doesn't, it's guaranteed Ronaldo can win.
Alright.
But Lamine Yamal doesn't have high chances in the match if he plays against Ronaldo.
Alright.
Because the match of the Nations League final, Portugal won against Spain.
Alright.
They won 5-3 against Spain on penalties.
Right.
And Lamine Yamal could not hold the ball. And Nuno Mendes took it away from him a lot. Even Ronaldo went back. He was a striker, but he went to play as a defender. Like, he was a striker and he rushed back to stop Lamine. And he did successfully stop Lamine and get the ball. Also, the keeper Diogo Jota saved a lot of shots. About 4 to 5 shots and 2 penalties. Lamine did take his first penalty or not, but I think he did, but he missed or Diogo Jota saved it.
Right. What else you know about him? What are your predictions for future? Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi isn't gonna play the World Cup.
Okay.
So the Messi or Ronaldo World Cup is over. And Messi is gonna retire in a few months. So expect him to retire in like 2 to 3 months.
Okay. Do you think one day you will become like Ronaldo?
It it's not guaranteed, and I don't want to be overconfident, but it's less chances.
Why? Why less chances?
He almost has 1,000 goals.
Then what?
He scored since he was 16 and now he's 40.
Okay.
That's a lot of years.
Doesn't matter.
It
You are
does
just
matter.
8 years. You are just 8 years.
I can't play at 8.
No, but we'll start inshallah when you will be 10 years. You want to
10.
go to Spain?
But first Japan.
First Japan. I know your mother is there. You will go, obviously you will go first there. And then you will from there stay just 1 or 2 years there. When you become 8 years, 11 years, 10 years, 12 years, we will send you to Spain, your favorite country, and your favorite team. Who's your favorite team?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. You wish to be captain of that, or you coach?
Player.
Player, sorry. Okay. Oh no, what is your final destination? As a player, you will retire, or as a coach, or both?
No. It's like if a player retires, he can coach the team after he retires.
All right.
So I would coach when I retire.
When you retire. Wish you all the best. We pray for you. Okay. And you are doing a lot of things for us, a lot of information for especially the people who like this game, football. Okay. And Fakhr News, salute you. Bye.